Okay, something a little different today. So right now I'm traveling, and it's quite hard to work on cars when you're traveling. You know, you can't exactly crack open a car, change some parts or anything like that. So I figured, well, I'm in Egypt, I'm in Luxor. Let's check out a local mechanic shop, see how they do things here, what tools they use, you know, what's kind of going on here. But check it out, look. So he's probably making that smooth because they're replacing the head gasket in there. You can kind of, I give you some light. So he's sanding that down. Usually you would maybe mill that and make it perfectly flat and do like a test, make sure it's flat. He's getting the sandpaper on there. I've seen actually people do that. They sand it on a sheet of sandpaper like that. It takes a super long time, but you can actually see, you know, this is how people did it back then. And this is how they do it now in Egypt. It's pretty cool, isn't it? So he's cleaning it up in there. Let's see if we can have a little look inside. So I don't remember what's the name of the shop? The name of the shop here. He told me, but I forgot. Mohammed Hamza. Mohammed Hamza. And he's Mohammed?
No, Mohammed is working together. It's teamwork with them. Ahmed is working with Mohammed.
Ahmed, yeah. Mohammed.
Hamza.
Mohammed Hamza. Okay. I am getting older, I forget things. Okay. No. Okay. So the shop's name is Mohammed Hamza. What's your name? Ahmed. Ahmed, nice to meet you. So yeah, he's sanding that down. Whoop. Check this out, look. How's it going? Quetchy. Yeah, here's his shop, look. He said I could have a little look inside. He's got his music playing, look. Here's his tools. Wow. So I don't know if you guys are interested in this thing. Usually the things on my channel are fixing something. Usually if I have a problem with my car, I fix it, show you guys how to do it. But is anyone curious? I don't know. Is there a viewer base for this? So right now we're in Luxor, which is in southern Egypt. So it's not near Cairo. It's about 1.5 hours south. It's pretty cool touristy things to do. But right now we're on the West Bank, more like where the locals are, so we can kind of see something in action. And the reason it's nighttime is because it's Ramadan, so they have their breakfast at 6 p.m. when the sun goes down. So people are going to be working through the night, and this is why they're all working now. They got some things in their bellies here. Check this out, a little grinder here. You can polish his things off and sand them down on the other side. There are things on TikTok. You see there's like Indian mechanic channels where they do various things, repair car batteries and things like that. Look at that, that's cool, isn't it? I bet that's going right in there. So if you ever wondered what the inside of a combustion chamber looks like, there it is. Look, there's your spark plug. Wow, little four-cylinder package right there. Look, there's his little screwdrivers. So you notice you don't see any specialist measuring tools. Maybe they're hiding in drawers or something like that, but yeah, it's pretty much what it is. It's cool, isn't it? Let's get some light on there. Have a little dig around. Yeah, so don't know what else to say really, but if you're curious, this is what the inside of a little workshop looks like. You know, the room is probably 10 feet side to side, but yeah, the guys are cracking on. Absolutely amazing. What we're working on here looks like a taxi, actually. Taxi finally getting its head gasket and head redone. Wow! Oh, there we go. Right there, look. It's oh wow. Yeah, look. There's the license plate. If you're curious what a license plate looks like here. Wow. Cool, isn't it? Can you ask him how much he thinks this job would cost in America? So if you had this problem in America, how much would the average mechanic pay to fix this? Yeah, okay. Yeah.
اقول لك الشغلانه دي هي بايظه عليها العربيه كتير. لو في امريكا انك انت
We're going to find out how much it costs to get a head gasket and a sanding down in Egypt.
Here in Egypt is speaking about 2,000 Egyptian pounds.
2,000 Egyptian pounds for this job?
Yes.
2,000 Egyptian
pounds. Yeah.
And how
yeah.
guess how much in America? Can you guess?
أقول لك ممكن تخيل إنها تاخذ كم في أمريكا. يمشي كم؟ هو أقول لك تخيل. أمريكا ممكن 10,000. Maybe 10,000.
47,000 minimum.
47,000
minimum. Yes. So
47,000 اللي أنت هتعمله ب 2000 ده.
That's the minimum. If you have a nicer car, more money.
لو عربية أعلى فلوس أكتر.
For this car, 47,000, yes. And for 2,000, that's super cheap. Hey! Enjoy. Wow.
أقدم عربية تخش لك كم سنة.
What's the most popular car in Egypt?
Again.
What's the most popular car in Egypt or in Luxor? Like, would it be a Chevrolet? Would it be the most popular?
هنا أي حاجة جاينا أحسن عربية تويوتا لاند كلوزر.
Toyota?
Very good.
Oh, really?
تويوتا لاند كلوزر. Jaguar.
Jaguar? Really? I noticed Mercedes. BMW. I noticed there's a lot of Chinese motorcycles. Yeah, a lot of those ones. Harujijang. Where is Harujijang? I don't have Google with me right now, but that seems to be the bike of choice here. And a CMG here. This is a CMG Apollo. Definitely the ones, after looking around for the last week or so, they seem to be the bike of choice. This one looks quite new here. I heard when I was younger, I don't know if it's true, but I read in a book, it was a joke book, that's why I'm not sure if it's true, but if you can drive forwards 10 meters and backwards 10 meters, you get a driver's license. I might actually fact check that now because it was just a random memory I had the other day. But yeah, what do you think of the motorcycles? Anyway, yeah. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'm sure I've bothered them enough now, so I'm gonna take out the pulley thing. I'm crazy, but yeah, there you go. If you want to see more, I'm going to Turkey, Indonesia, various other places. So if you want to see more content like this, let me know in the comments below. But yeah, little local mechanic shop in Luxor in Egypt. Take care, guys.